Welcome to session 14 of Word Power Made Easy. Now in this session we are going to discuss about the 10 words used for different types of liars. So how many words? There are 10 words which we are going to discuss about the liars. So there are different types of liars and how they are different from each other, what are their characteristics, what are their features, so you can use an appropriate word for a particular type of liar. So let's say there are how many types of liars? There are 10 types of liars. So first, number one, you do not fool even some of the people. So it happens when everybody knows that you avoid facts. So facts doesn't matter for you. Your reputation in the society is not good. It means most of the people are aware about that you are a liar. Only a stranger may mislead by you. If somebody doesn't know you, then you can cheat that person. So you are called a notorious liar. You are called a notorious liar. The opposite of notorious is noted. So you can say noted industrialist, means somebody who is positively popular. Notorious means somebody is negatively popular. So somebody is negatively popular, you can use NATORIOUS, notorious liar. Next, the highest summit of artistry. You can lie convincingly and artistically. It means when you are speaking to someone, you can speaking in a very cogent manner so that he can understand you. You will speak a lie in a very logical way. You can create an artificial logic, and you got an art in doing so, and you are expert in it. So when you have a convincing power and you have an art of communication, then you speak something which is lie. It is known as a consummate liar. Consummate liar. Consummate you can say at the top, or best. Consummate liars means you are liar, but you are expert. You have an art. You have a convincing power. So CONSUMMATE. So there is a word called summit. So from summit you can use consummate. So consummate. Beyond redemption or salvation means there is no chance to improve that person. You are an impervious to correction, means you cannot improve. Impervious means you cannot be improved. Often you caught in your fabrication of false story. So you speak a lie and you can fabricate a story, and that story is totally false. You lie even if you are caught and you are punished and embarrassed. It's not happened that you lie and you doesn't caught. You lie, you caught, you have an embarrassing situation, but you are still lying. It means you are beyond reparation. That means you are an incorrigible liar. Incorrigible. So there is a word corrigible. Corrigible means something which can be reparable, and in means something which is not reparable. So incorrigible liar. INCORIGIBLE. Corrigible. Too old to learn new tricks. Your habit of lying is deep-rooted and fixed. Now you have been lying for last several years, and now it is become your second habit, and it is totally fixed in your nature that you are not going to improve. You are not going to throw out that bad habits. So you lie like brushing your teeth every day. So you are lying every day. Your day start with lie. Your day start with an end of lying someone. So you are inveterate liar. Inveterate is coming from the word veteran. Veteran means something who is old, who is an expert, and who is having an old habit or have been doing this work for quite a long time, then you can say he is a veteran. Inveterate liar means that he is lying for several years, and it is now he is fixed as his character. An early start from the beginning. When the day you take a birth, you are a liar. So you get some genes from your parents, and then you are a congenial liar. Genial is coming from genital. So congenial liar means liar from the birth. Congenial, congenial. No let up. You never stop lying. Normal people lie on occasion, but you lie continually. Then you are known as chronic liars. You know, everybody is a liar in the world, but some people is lying even there is no reason. They just simply lie. That is their nature. So they are continuously lying. So they are known as chronic liar. Strange disease. You do not concern between the truth and false. You do not concern between the facts and fantasy. You are lying as a disease, then you are a pathological liar. Now in many TV debates that you can see, even the person is wrong, he go on telling the lie. Like Rahul Gandhi of Congress, he is a liar. He has raised the issue on so many occasions which has no head and no tail, but he is simply raising the issue. So you can say he is a pathological liar. Liar from the beginning, you can say, and he is mixing the facts with fantasy. What he is thinking, that he started believing, and he started telling to everybody that this is a fact. So he is known as a pathological liar. Pathological means a disease, or you can say feeling in some time. No regret. You are completely without a conscience. So even if you lie, your guilty complex will not prick you. You never feel guilt when you lie. You are totally unscrupulous. So you are an unconsciouseable liar. unconsciouseable, unconscionable liar. Next, smooth, possessed by a lively imagination and ready tongue. So you have imagination. Imagination means it is not related to facts, it's just a fantasy. And your tongue is very good in telling this story to the people, and you speak as if people feel that you are a person who is telling everything true. So you are speaking so smoothly and effortlessly. Then you are called a glib liar. Glib, glib liars. Outstanding. Your lies are vicious, calculatedly, predetermined, coldly. Then you are egregious liar. Now, when you are lying with a very bad intention to harm somebody, and it is calculated lying, then you are called an egregious liar. Engregious, egregious liar. So these are the 10 different words for different types of liars. Now in this chapter, 10 basic words revolve rather closely around a central core. Each one, however, has a distinct, unique meaning and special implication, not the differences. Type of liar. Now, if somebody is a notorious means someone who is famous or infamous for lying. Tendency to falsify is well known, great skill. Consummate, a great skill. Remember, consummate is coming from the word summit. Summit means high peak, means on the top. So consummate. Incorrigible. Now somebody cannot be rectified, cannot be improved upon, then you can say incorrigible. Inveterate. Lying has become a deep rooted habit. When your habit is to lie, it is your habit. So it is called inveterate. Whenever you find the word habit, it is always inveterate. And whenever you are finding the word like great skill, it is consummate. And when you are finding the words not possible to improve or rehabilitation, then incorrigible. Congenital. Congenital means something related to birth. Remember the word genital. The genital means the male and female sexual organs. So it is something related to the birth. So congenital liar means lying from the birth. Chronic. Chrono. Chrono means time. So from the time of the birth, if somebody is lying, or you can say over and over lying, then it is called chronic liar. Pathological. Pathological is related to disease or fill. An irresistible compulsion to lie. Often no rational reasons. Lying is a disease. So whenever you come across the word disease, it is related to pathological. Unconscionable, lack of regret or remorse. So it is unconscionable. Glebe, when there is a smoothness, then you have to consider it is glebe. Egregious. Egregious means something vicious, something poisonous. Then it is called egregious. Now here there are 10 expressive adjectives, needless to say, are not restricted to lying or a liars, not their general meaning. Now notorious. Notorious means a well-known, some bad quality, or notorious philander. Philander means somebody is having an extramarital affair is known as philander. Consummate, perfect, highly skilled. So when there is a skill word, it is related to consummate. So consummate in study, consummate in teaching, consummate in crafting. So it is known as the highly skilled. Incorrigible. Incorrigible means beyond reform. It is impossible to improve further. Then it is called incorrigible. Inveterate. Inveterate means something deep-rooted habitual things, and it is deeply habituated only when you are practicing for a long time. So this is known as inveterate. Congenital. Genital means male and female sexual organ. So sexual organ, so it is related to birth. So if somebody is doing something from the birth, then you can say congenital. Chronic. Chronic comes from the word chrono. Chrono means time. So chronic means long time, occurring again and again. Pathological. Pathological means disease. Glebe. Glebe means smooth. Artistically, if somebody is fluent, then he is known as a glebe witness or a glebe speaker. Egregious. Egregious means outstandingly bad and vicious and poisonous. Then it is known as egregious. With an exception of consummate or congenital, all 10 adjectives are strongly derogatory implication and are generally used to describe people, characteristics, or conditions we disapprove of. Notorious. Notorious means unfavorable, unknown, unfavorable, known. Infamous person. Consummate. Consummate means finished, perfect, artistic. Incorrigible. Incorrigible means beyond reform, you cannot improve further. Inveterate. Inveterate means long standing habits. Congenital. Congenital means something from the birth. Chronic. Chronic. Continuing for the long period of time. Pathological is related to some kind of disease. So, pathological. 7. Unconscionable. Unconscionable means without any conscience or scruples. Glebe. Glebe means somebody who is smooth. So suspiciously smooth. Egregious. Egregious means outstandingly bad and vicious. So that is known as egregious. Do you understand the words? So here on one side there is a statement, on the other side there is yes and no. Do people become notorious for good acts? No. For good acts, that person will be noted. For example, noted industrialist or a noted actor. So no. A Beethoven considered as a consummate of music genius. Yes. Consummate means very high skill. If criminal is truly incorrigible, is there any point in attempting the rehabilitation? Incorrigible means now he cannot improve. So no. Does an inveterate smoker smoke only occasionally? Inveterate means somebody who is having a very old habit of doing something. So occasionally is not a correct word. So no. If congenital deformity, one that occurs late in life? No. Congenital deformity occurs at the time of birth. So no. Chronic, chrono means time and chronic means for a long time. Is a chronic invalid ill much of the time? Yes. A pathological means a kind of disease. A pathological condition of normal and healthy. So when somebody is pathological, he is not normal and he is not healthy. So no. If a person commits unconscionable act of cruelty, is there any regret, remorse or a guilt? No. Unconscionable liars never feel remorse or never feel guilt. Is glib talker awkward and hesitant? Glib means very smooth, very effective. So that is known as glib. So never hesitant. Is egregious error very bad? Yes. Next, can you recall the words? Outstandingly vicious. So it is known as egregious. Starting at the birth. Congenital. Happening over again and again. Continuing for the long time. So it is known as chronic. Widely unfavorable. So notorious. Beyond correction. Incorrigible. Smooth and persuasive is glib. Long addicted to habit. Inveterate. Perfect in practice of art. Extremely skillful. Consummate. Unscrupulous, entirely without conscience. Unconscionable. Disease. Pathological. So here we are ending the session number 14. I am going to put the PDF file. Just download the PDF file from the description box. Then see the video and then fill up the PDF file by your own and check with the video. If it is found correct, then it is wonderful. If there is a mistake, redo it, and that is the way to master the subject. Thank you very much.